VG24 న్యూస్కి స్వాగతం. హన్మకొండ భీమారం రామారంలోని స్కిల్ స్టోర్స్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ 5వ వార్షికోత్సవంలో 3వ రోజు గ్రాండ్ ఫినాలే వేడుకల్ని అంగరంగ వైభవంగా శనివారం నిర్వహించినట్లు పాఠశాల డైరెక్టర్ ఎర్రబెల్లి అనూప్ తెలిపారు. మొదటగా ఎస్వీఎస్ విద్యాసంస్థ చైర్మన్ ఎర్రబెల్లి తిరుమలరావు, చైర్పర్సన్ ఎర్రబెల్లి స్వర్ణ జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలన చేసి కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించారు. అనంతరం వారు మాట్లాడుతూ దేశ విదేశాల విశ్వవిద్యాలయాల నుండి మెరిట్ స్కాలర్షిప్స్ అడ్మిషన్లు సాధించినట్లు తెలిపారు. అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయిలో విద్యార్థులు పోటీ పడేలా నాణ్యమైన విద్యను అందిస్తున్నట్లు తెలిపారు. మహానగరాల్లో మాత్రమే బోధించే కేంబ్రిడ్జి ఏ లెవెల్, ఐబీ లెవెల్స్ డిప్లొమా కోర్సులు బోధిస్తున్నామని తెలిపారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా డైరెక్టర్ అనూప్ మాట్లాడుతూ అంతర్జాతీయ బోర్డ్స్ ఐబీ కేంబ్రిడ్జ్ విద్యా ప్రమాణాలతో ప్రపంచ స్థాయి ప్రమాణాలతో విద్యార్థులకు విద్యను అందిస్తున్నట్లు తెలిపారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులు ప్రదర్శించిన సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు తల్లిదండ్రులను ఎంతగానో ఆకట్టుకున్నాయి. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ సోనాల్ నిషత్, ఉజ్వల్ పవర్, కోఆర్డినేటర్లు రత్నదీప్, చంద్రప్రకాష్, ఆచార్య ఎరికా పాల్, హేమ, నబీలా, మానసి, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Centered on ethics and responsibility, reminded us that the responsibility to make the right decisions rests with us.
In a world racing ahead, where every second is a new invention, we stand at the crossroads of choice.
Because even the brightest invention is only a shadow without values to lead it.
And when guided by those values, technology finds its purpose. When guided by humanity.
And the future is not shaped by machines, but by the choices we make. Presenting our dance, technology
has purpose. As the day begins, homes quietly come to life. In one corner, cleaning is no longer a task. Smart robots remove dust instantly. Home stays spotless. Step outside and nature feels different. Gardens are now cared for by robo-gardeners. They water, trim and scan plant health continuously. Nature thrives with robotic precision. As people begin their work, communication transforms. AI-driven computers handle tasks efficiently. Work becomes faster, smoother, and more accurate. Meanwhile, the city moves in perfect rhythm. Traffic is managed by robot police systems. They scan vehicles and track movement in real time. Roads remain smooth, safe, and fully organized. In hospitals, the future is even more advanced. Robot doctors diagnose and treat patients with precision. Robotic systems perform accurate, risk-free procedures. Healthcare becomes faster, smarter, and more reliable. Even law enforcement has evolved in this world. Robo-police scan surroundings for any suspicious activity. Robotic systems act quickly to stop threats. Machines don't replace humans, they support them. They simplify. They make life efficient. Work is faster. Living is smarter. The world runs smoother than ever before.
Engage.
The stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You and I, we
question. Who decides what is right?
Humans decide. Let me show you how. Quiet. Yesterday, parent-teacher meeting, and some parents come. And you, stand up. I said stand up.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, your mother sent me a voice.
Yes, sir.
Urgent voice message playing.
Sorry, sir. I couldn't come yesterday. I was busy. Also, can you please give my child full marks this time?
Do you know something, guys? I include my mom's voice on my
Hey, happened. And you, Arjun, stand up. Go market.
Sorry, sir. I include my mom's voice on my This won't happen again. Sorry, sir.
I will talk with your mom. Sit down. From your research. Let's in your hands. This time. Sir. Wow, wonderful. Even ChatGPT cannot do this. Excellent. So, can your classmates explain, sir? Beta. Okay, sir. So, this means
अरे भाई केना के चाहते हो?
exam mode on. AI assistant disabled. Sir? And beta.
Sorry, sir.
Give me this. Sit down. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
When technology serves humanity, it is not machines that shape the future, but the values behind it. And that future is ours to create.
We are at par with our schedule, so I would like to request you not to take your wards back once the performance gets over. And most important one, so kindly request your participation in that as well. The world is a beautiful mix of ideas. But what if they united us instead? Grade 6 celebrates a world where diversity is not a barrier, but a strength. A world where every voice matters. Because the future cannot be built by one group. It must be built together. Let us celebrate the 6, my bad.
Advanced rainwater harvest system.
England full of green park. In USA, we have abundant crops. But what about us? Our taps are dry. Our rivers turn to dust.
Our farmers are suffering from water scarcity. We are still waiting for the rain. Everyone, please listen.
Did you all forget about us? Did the world forget about us?
Priority ignored by main grid. Priority ignored by main grid. Detected localized severe drought. Priority ignored by main grid.
Look! We celebrated too soon. We built glass walls around our success. We locked the water in and we locked our neighbors out. How can we drink when they are thirsty?
Why are AI didn't want us?
Because we only programmed it to protect us. We were so busy singing to our own rivers.
And we stopped listening to the world.
What good is a smart world if it has a cold heart? Technology without humanity is just a machine. The earth doesn't know borders. We guys should also choose. Let us break the walls.
One more time.
Are you okay? Yes. Oh, thank you AI, for saving my friend's life.
depends on us.
Think before you use. Choose what is right. Technology needs responsibility.